Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel about somatic embodiment. My name is Eva. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Today I'm going to be talking about two emotions, which is fear and grief, sadness. And these two are directly linked with two organs. And I'm gonna share a practice which comes from a Chinese medicine, and it's called the patting therapy. And it literally involves repetitions of sort of a very gentle hit or tap into the certain areas of the body. And I'm gonna be focusing today on kidneys and lungs. So kidneys are associated with the emotions of fear, of not feeling grounded, of not feeling secure, but fear in general. And chronic fear can really affect the kidneys. So we're going to be activating the kidneys to bring some healthy flow back, some healthy motion back through activating the bloodstream. And then the lungs. Lungs are associated with the emotions of grief. And grief, of course, means also sadness and sort of detachment. So we're going to be also activating through a point the lungs and making the lungs stronger and also allowing the movement to come in. So the lungs, they bring in the oxygen and nourish ourselves and also let go of the oxygen and let go of any emotional weight. So this practice you can do for 3 to 5 minutes, but I really highly recommend to put a timer on if you don't want to stress about the time, but do it at least for 3 minutes. And basically it's done standing, and we're gonna be activating through the tapping, through the patting, these two areas. So this area is the lungs, and you're gonna make sort of a gentle fists with your hands. So these two areas are connected with the lungs. And then we're gonna be also tapping the kidney area. So the kidney area is basically these two areas, right? So we're gonna be tapping here. So I'm gonna stand up so you can see me standing, and we're gonna start to do this practice. So before we start, I want you to first arrive in your body, arrive in the space and in the ground underneath you. Take a few breaths in. A few breaths out, exhaling through the mouth, inhale through the nose, and just side out into your belly, arriving in the present moment. One last time, inhale, exhale, beautiful. And before we start to do this practice, let's just make sure that our shoulders are relaxed. So let's make a few circles back. And then a few circles front. Beautiful. And now let's activate a little bit the armpits, the lymphatic system here. So you can, with 2 thumbs, you can just make circles, or just one hand and then the other hand, but the easiest is just you stuck your thumb under your armpits and make few circles under the armpits. Beautiful. Now we're ready to start. So you're gonna form gentle fists with your hands, and you're gonna be twisting your body and tapping with one hand into this area of the lungs, where I showed you before, and the other hand into the area of the kidney. And then you're gonna just change. And as I said before, the tap is gentle, and you're very relaxed. Make sure your legs are a little bit wider than the hip distance so you feel stable. And soften the knees, don't lock the knees, soften the knees. And just find the flow in this motion. And your fists are closed but relaxed as well, so they're not harsh. And basically we do this together for 3 minutes. So try to relax into it. And you just tap the area of the lung, the area of the kidney. And you can also relax the neck and use this motion to kind of neutralize also the whole body. Beautiful. Keep going. If you do this practice, I recommend you to do it outside if that's possible, with your bare feet, so without shoes, on the grass or on the stones, so you can also ground at the same time. And as I said, don't forget to be completely relaxed. There's no tension in the body. And you can put a song of 3 or 5 minutes, depending how long you want to do it. Beautiful. So let's say that we've done our 3 minutes. I'm slowly gonna stop the motion. And then you're gonna further activate the inner part of the arm to further activate the lungs. So you're gonna just tap a few times the inner part of the hand, at least 3 times, and then don't forget also the right arm. Beautiful. So this has been my exercise, my practice for today to share with you. If you have any questions or any comments about what you experience and what is your understanding of emotions and how they get trapped in organs, and if you feel like whatever you have problems with your lungs or kidneys and you want to share, I would love to hear from you in the comments, and I wish you a beautiful day.